First, visit iReaShare.com and head to the Android Manager page. You can scroll down to check all the features and the step-by-step guide in detail. After that, click the Back to Top button. Click the Try for Free option to download it on your computer. Double-click the iReaShare Android Manager installer to install it on your computer by following the step-by-step guide. Once finished, click Finish to close setup. Launch the software on your computer and connect your Android device to the computer with the USB cable. After connecting your Android device, the software will detect it and pop up a window to require you to click Allow on your device. Once successfully connecting, you will see this interface. Click Apps, User Apps, then you can preview all apps installed on your device. Tick off your unwanted apps, then click Uninstall to install the chosen apps. You can export the apps you want to transfer by ticking off the apps and clicking Export. If needed, click Install to import the APK files on your computer to your phone. Click Contacts, All Contacts, then you can delete, add, export, and import contacts with the top menu of Delete, New, Export, and Import options. While exporting, you can choose the saved contact formats as you wish. Click Call Logs, then you can delete, export, and import call logs with the top menu of Delete, Export, and Import options. While exporting, there are two call log formats to choose from. While importing, please note that it only supports the XML file format. Click SMS, preview all text messages, and tap New to send one or groups of text messages on your computer. Tick off the call logs you want to transfer to your computer. Click Export to choose the available exported file formats, then select a folder to save the exported SMS file. Click Import to import SMS files saved on your computer to your Android device. Tick off your unwanted message, then click Delete to delete the chosen one. Click Music, then you will see all music files and playlists. Then you can delete, export, and import music files with the top menu of the Delete, Export, and Import options. Click Photos Camera, then you preview all photos on your Android device. Click Library, and you will see all playlists. Please choose the photos you want, then click on Export to transfer them to your computer. To delete all photos in a playlist, just click on Select All and Delete. Click Add to import photos from your computer to your device. Tick off the photos you want to copy to another playlist, then click on Copy and choose a playlist. You can also move photos to another playlist by clicking on Move. Click Videos. You can preview all the videos and choose the one you want, then click the Export option to transfer them to your computer. Click Add to import videos from your computer to your device. Tick off the video you don't want, then click the Delete option to delete the chosen one. Click Books. You can preview and choose your unwanted ebooks, then click the Delete option to delete the chosen one. Tick off the ebook S, then click the Export option to transfer the chosen one S to your computer. Click Add to import ebook S from your computer to your Android device. Go to the Super Toolkit section and click on Backup, then you'll see an interface like this. Select the contents you want to back up and choose an output location on your PC to save them. Then click on the Backup button. After that, all the chosen contents will be backed up to the destination. Click OK when the backup is finished. To restore from the backup files made by the software, click on Restore, choose the backup record and the file types, then click Restore.